Hello student. So today's science topic is health and disease. So what is health? In the last chapter we have read about health. Health is the condition of human body and good health is if any task is given to you that can be performed very well. That means you are in good health. So what are diseases? If we take balanced diet and do exercise, still we get some diseases. Why? Diseases are the disorders in our body. These disorders are of two types. First is communicable and second one is non-communicable. So what are communicable diseases? Communicable diseases are the diseases which transfer from one person to another person. Alright, these are the diseases which are transferred from sick person to a healthy person. These are done by some agents which are air, water, food, insects and animals. Alright, these are the agents that communicate these diseases into other persons. But how these communicable diseases come into our body? These come into our body with the help of microorganisms. What are microorganisms? Microorganisms are the small creatures that present in environment. These are the small living organisms that present in our environment and get intake by food or along with the food. These microorganisms make us fall sick. The example of microorganisms are bacteria, virus, fungi and protozoa. Just like coronavirus. Corona is also a kind of microorganism that cannot be seen with the naked eye. This only can be seen under the microscope. Alright. So these microscopic organisms make us fall sick. Now we will discuss about the agents. How these agents make us fall sick. First of all, we will study about air. Air is very clean, but some dirt and dust is present in the air. This dirt and dust inhaled by our body and we fall sick. And some microorganism present in the air also inhaled by the nose and we fall sick. But these microorganisms are where these microorganisms get into the air. When a sick person cough or sneeze into the air and that contaminated air is inhaled by a healthy person, the healthy person fall sick. Alright, such as water and food also, the contaminated water and food also make us fall sick. Insects, some of the insects are there that make us fall sick like fly, that means house fly and mosquito. Mosquitoes and house fly are the insect which spread communicable diseases because they sit on the garbage and dirt and dust and come into our food, sit there, make it contaminated and make us fall sick. Mosquito bite a sick person and then bite healthy person, that also communicate the disease. Now the animal bites. Some of the animal saliva contains lots of microorganisms such as dog. Dog saliva contains lots of microorganisms and if dog bite us, those microorganisms get into the body and make us fall sick. So dogs or other animals which bite like snake, Snake also bites, right? The poison of the snake contains lots of microorganisms that can be fatal. Alright, so this is all about the communicable disease. In the next part, we will discuss about the non-communicable diseases.